This is the Trucozie handheld mattress vacuum cleaner with some interesting features built into it. Works good on my dog blanket and my dog bed too. Company sent me this product to check it out so I can make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safety in a 12-inch by 12-inch by 7-inch box, pretty compact. Inside the package, you are going to get the easy-to-read instructions. Obviously, you're going to get the main vacuum unit. It's all basically fully assembled. You're going to get one HEPA filter that's already installed inside the machine, and you're going to get an extra HEPA filter that comes with it. Filter's about 3 inches tall, a little over an inch. And you're going to get a couple of aromatherapy tablets. The dimensions of the machine, it's about 8 inches long by about 8 inches tall, about 10 inches this way. So it's pretty compact. It's not big at all. And you can see I've been using it. First thing, it's a corded unit, so you're going to get consistent power. And the cord is about 16.4 foot long. And it's a simple one key, one button operation. On and off, easy enough. And you can see me using it over here, works pretty good. It has a 33,000 RPM tapping motor with 16 kilopascals of suction to pull up pet hair and dander from mattresses and fabric surfaces. The motor also has overheat protection, so it'll shut itself down if it gets too hot. You just turn it off, let it cool down, and it's ready to go again. On that note, the roller brush has lock protection on it, so if it gets tangled up in the fabric or you get a large amount of string or whatever in there, pet hair, it shuts the roller down to prevent damage. And this roller is super easy to remove when you want to clean it. It's just push button. Push the button, it pulls out, and when you're done cleaning it, you just put it back in there, line it up, and push button. Easy as that. Suction port covers a pretty decent area on what it's made for, you know, beds, sofas, couches, that kind of thing. One hand operation. There's a smart dust sensor with indicator lights. You get blue, orange, and red that are going to change color to show you the cleaning status in real time. Interesting feature. It's going to show you which areas you need to spend more time on. The vacuum also has a 275 nanometer UVC light along with heat up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And it also has ultrasonic tapping going on while you're using it. The light and the heat work together to dislodge the stubborn stuff you got in there. When you get it filled up with stuff and you're ready to clean it out, it's just super easy. One button removal of this. This lifts up and you dump the stuff out. You know, wipe it out and you're good to go. As far as the HEPA filtering goes, there's a metal filter and another filter inside of there, and it just pulls out and presses back in. There's a little seal right here. Super easy to take apart, clean, remove, and install, and you can rinse and wash the filters according to the company. I haven't done that yet. Snap it back together, label goes on the outside, and you're good to go. Look at that. There's an ion function, and inside the filter compartment there's an aromatherapy option where you can add a fresh scent tablet while you're using it, if that's something you like to do. And like I said before, they've given us 2 tablets. I got 2 oceans. So there you go. Something like this would be great for bedrooms, guest rooms, living room furniture, even car interiors with fabric seats, pet beds, pet blankets, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.